Hello everyone, it's Julie from Beebeecraft Designs. Welcome and welcome back. I'm here today with my huge hands. I'm very zoomed in. I've just got a little product share for you. Yeah, I won't call it an unboxing because I have already looked to see what this was because it's been winging my way to me for that long. I didn't even know what were in it. I totally forgot what were in it, so I had to have a look what they were and find out so I could get the details for you. Anyway, it's from Beebeecraft. Yeah, I've not done one of these for months. This one has been winging its way to me for around... I'm adding up on my fingers like this now, yeah. May, June, July. 3 months. Yeah, 3 months, yeah. Wow. Arithmetic. Yeah, I did my GCSE in maths a couple of years ago as well, yeah, and I'm still adding up on my fingers. I think that's, yeah, enough said on that one, isn't there? Right, so I got 3 items from him this time, and they are still things I want to use, so I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing. Ooh, I have got my ring light on today, so I know this plastic's a bit glary, so I'm going to move those out of the way, and I will tip these out, and I think you can see what this first lot is, yeah? Look how many there is. Oh, look at that. And these are wax seals. Well, the metal stamps, wax seal stamps. They're not the actual wax. Shut up, woman. They're not daft, you know. Right, so yeah, it's quite a bargain little pack, this. Just prepared for it to set 3, no. I think there was some problem in customs. The label, my actual part of my address were rubbed off. And I did actually receive another parcel with it from overseas, and it's like it's pushed it through customs. They've thought, oh yeah, that's her. Let's go and see if it's hers, and it's mine. So here it is. Right, wax seal stamps. This is a set of 12. It comes with the 12 heads, 2 handles, and the cost of this one is, well, when I bought it, there was an offer on. It was £17.29, and it is now £20.54. But for 12 and 2 handles, I do still think that's pretty good value. Yeah, and what we've got, I do this often when my kids play me up. It's a wolf howling at the moon. Yeah, that's me. We've got this one. This is lovely. This is lavender or wheat. I've seen this advertised as both lavender and wheat, depending on where you buy it from. Can't remember what it was called from Beebeecraft, but yeah, you can use it as either, can't you? But that one's lovely. We've got a compass. This is going to be fab because I intend doing some steampunk very soon. I'm just gathering bits together. That'll look really nice on that. We've got this. Is this yeah, pentagon. Yeah, our counting points on it then. Pentagon, yeah. I think that might also be good for steampunk. We've got this Celtic symbol. I know where that's going. I've got that in mind to send to someone, because I don't think I'd use it in my stuff. We've got these cute little paw prints. I love that one. That's just adorable. That can be used. I think I will use that in conjunction with this next one. It's a little fox. How cute is that? There's quite a bit of detail on that fox. I'll be interested to see how that comes out when I stamp it. Yeah, I hope it looks as detailed. This one I really like. A daisy. That is really lovely. I mean, yeah, if I were buying all these separate, I perhaps wouldn't have chosen some of them, but in a bundle for that price, it's like, yeah, it's cheap. We've got the flamingo. Yeah, again, I don't think I would have chose to use a flamingo, but as I've got one, I will find somewhere to use it. We've got this one. I don't know if this is, I don't know, it looks like water, mountains, stars, moon. I don't know if it has some significance, no idea. These two, I love these. Butterfly. Wow. Now I do have a butterfly already, but it's one with the, you know how this one stamps the ring around as well. My butterfly one does that. This one is just the butterfly, no ring around it. I'm going to enjoy using that one. And a buzzy bee. I've wanted a buzzy bee for a while. I didn't buy one because I know I got this coming. Well, yeah, Buzzy Bee, might get that bee journal done after all. And that set comes with 2 handles, yeah. I think 2's enough, because you're only going to want to use a couple at once, aren't you? They are interchangeable with the other ones. They're interchangeable with ones from Beebeecraft and Craftspire, yeah. So, yeah, I've perhaps got a dozen handles now, haven't I? Right, so yeah, I told you the price on that, £20.54. And in dollars, that is $27, yeah. For you US ladies, because you can get Beebeecraft there. Right, the other things I bought, I got this, nothing too thrilling, but I've got some good stuff coming up with it. But again, I'm going to be using this near autumn, I think. It is copper wire. And this wire is 22 gauge, which is 0.6 millimeters. It's quite a thin one. I wanted this for making some boho-ish type beads. Yeah, I wanted to make some larger ones. And I wanted this for wrapping round and popping the beads on, and I thought this would be a good colour for autumn. Yeah, I mean, I tend to always go for antique bronze. I thought I'd try something different, go for a bit of copper. I do have copper eyelets, so might match up nice on a project. And the last thing, last but not least, last but the one I'm really looking forward to using the most actually, is these. Is that correct English grammar? I don't know. Tell me off if it's not. Are these? Oh dear. Right, these are, yeah, what are they? Them post fasteners. Yeah, if you don't know what post fasteners are, I will show you. You tend to get these with photograph albums, scrapbook albums, even accounting books use them. You can get them in all different sizes. These, I'll show you these silvery ones. These are like what I called old silver, antique silver. Yeah. They come in pairs. You get 10 antique silver pairs, 10 of this gunmetal colour, 10 antique bronze, and 10 antique gold. And they come in these cute little boxes. I love these boxes. I've got quite a few different things in those. Right, they come as a pair. You've got a male and a female, for want of a better way to describe them. I think that's technically what they call them, isn't it? And they screw together. Yeah, and you can fasten paper together with them. Yeah. Right, if I just grab my, can I grab my old punch? I think, any idea where my old punch is? I don't think my old punch is here, is it? Yeah, I've got one. Yeah, I'm crafting downstairs at the minute, so a lot of my things that are normally up in my craft room are down on my dining room table. So yeah, I'll take some of this. Right, this is just a really quick tutorial. You might think I'm getting some stuff ready for a bin, but I will actually, just to show you what post fasteners are, rather than tell you, it's as quick to show you. That hole looks perfect. Go on, you want to do it. It coped quite well with that much. So I'm going to pop one through there, and I'm going to screw this other one down onto it. Yay! The hole might be a little bit small. Yeah, I'm perhaps going to need a slightly bigger hole than that, but you get the idea, don't you? Yeah? And I wanted to make some, I'm going to make some scrappy little books with these. What's the chances, eh? They're all the same way round. Let's get another one out to match it up. There we go. So, screw that one in. And I love that they look like screws on one side. There we go. Let's pretend the holes were big enough, and that's a full little book. How cute is that for just binding your scraps together? And you can undo them. I just love the look that they are screw shaped. They're not all screw shaped. You don't see the screw. I just like that. So that's just cute already. I could ink that up, put a sticker on, and that's done. Yeah, love it. So I'll pop that to one side rather than undo it again. So yes, that is the third thing I've got from Beebeecraft. So you know exactly what I'm going to be doing with them. I'll be doing 1 or 2 projects over the next few weeks. Yeah. So that is your short little video for today. Oh, I'll just tell you how much the post fasteners are. The post fasteners are, well, there was an offer on when I ordered some of these, so I paid £5.8, but they are now £6.35, which again is around $8, not exact. And the wire, that's £5.72, around $8. Yep. So if you want anything, bob over and have a look. I do like Beebeecraft. I did order from Beebeecraft before ever I became part of their YouTube program, to be quite honest. And yeah, they do some good stuff. They have some bargains, like anywhere else. You've got to look for the bargains, haven't you? Don't assume it's a bargain just because it's on there, yeah? So, yeah, pop over and have a look. They quite often have discounts. Make sure you sign up for the newsletter, because then you will get the discounts through. I mean, I've had one through today for 30% off, yeah? So that's just an example of what they send you. So there's no code that I've specifically got for you in this video, because they've always got better deals on than the codes anyway. So go with that. One thing to point out, if you're in a rush for it, just bear in mind that these, yeah, if you're in the UK, these are coming from either the US or China, depending on where they're shipping from, yeah? So don't order them and expect to be getting them, yeah, day after tomorrow. It's not going to happen, yeah? I know mine took a long time. That is not usual. It's usually about 2 to 3 weeks with Beebeecraft. They do set to allow longer, but mine, I was just unlucky. It got lost at customs, and then I was really lucky that it got found, yeah, because I was dying to use these, and I've had a 3 months wait. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling and I'm going to stop rambling. I will just add at the end, if I know quite a few of my viewers do have their own YouTube channels. If you want to participate in this Beebeecraft YouTube program, the only requirement is that you have an active channel and you have more than 100 subscribers. There'll be a link below in my description, yeah, for you to click through and yeah, apply for their YouTube program. Yep. It's a really good way to build up your supplies, especially like myself. I'm doing YouTube. Yeah, I've got lots of stuff, but a lot of my stuff is old. I've built it up over years and years, yeah. So some of the newer stuff, like the wax seals, I'd wanted to have a go with these for quite a while, but I didn't want to shell out on everything, furnace, So it might be a good way for you to try something a little bit different for your channel or just for yourself, yeah. So all the details are in the description box below. I hope you found that interesting. Sorry there were no crafting apart from this teeny tiny little book. Yeah, there you go, make a book. I'll be back with an actual crafting video tomorrow with my postponed Tatty Treasure Tuesday. I'll be doing it tomorrow on the Wednesday. Things have cooled down so much more here. We've had a storm. I'm crafting in the living room as well. We've had a new fan delivered. And yeah, I'll be fine to craft properly tomorrow, I should think. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.